All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, look what we're back with, Mega Evolution. Okay, I want to remind you guys to please like and subscribe. Give me a follow if you're watching this video. I average about right now 300-400 views, and that's definitely, you know, 300-400 people subscribe. That will help my channel out a lot, and I could bring you guys more products too. Let's see. Oh, wow. Let's go. Okay. New card. I haven't pulled this yet. Oh, wait. Let's see what it is. Let's see. Voila. Ah. Wow. I have I think 3 of these already. Ugh. That was disappointing. Yeah. Ugh. Ah. Okay. Well, please, guys, like and subscribe, comment. And I believe on the 8th, I'll be doing a giveaway of one of these packs. So please comment giveaway or just anything. I'll pick somebody from one of these videos. Whichever video has the most views. And you must be a follower as well. Okay? Thank you.